Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of Dendy's sister always want to tease me. Chapter 13, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Kai-an. Ransing, the two of them, still having fun, since it was getting late. In the night market, it seems to be getting fun. There's a lot of people outside, playing games, eating, watching, strolling around the street. But suddenly the two of them stop. It does seem too difficult, Ransing said to Kai-an. Well, Kai-an suddenly looked at Ransing. Well, probably Ransing. Kai-an. She grabbed the gun and she was going to play the game. Look at her. She looks really serious. Well, probably she thought to herself that it was an easy peasy game. Now, Kai-an seems to be happy, as expected of sister. She is so handsome at this time. Well, definitely, she looks really gorgeous. Looking at her postures, you can see that she's like an actress who's portraying a character in the shooting. Now, Kai-an seems to be inspired. When she fired off, it seems that everything seems to be chaos. There's no one who's gone for the balloons. Now, Kai-an was looking at hers. Well, this thing, at this moment, it really seems to be feel awkward. But of course, Kai-an, she moved closer to her. Acting, she is going to teach her. She grabbed her hand, and she was holding into it. And Kai-an said to her, "Sister, I will help you." Oh, at this moment, Ransing seems to be willing to learn this game. Now, the target has been accomplished. Turns out, Kai-an, she is good on shooting games. Well, probably, they really win a prize. Look at that, a little bit chic. Kai-an said to her, "You got a 3 award." Kai-an took off the gun from her, said to her, "Which one do you like, sister?" So it turns out, she is really desperate to grab a new target to be able to fulfill her wish. That one, Ransing said to her. Now, looking at Kai-an, was the target locked up, and she looks really happy and also confident that she can really get that. After targeting, now, look at her. She looks really serious. She already shoot. The owner seems to be amazed on her and said, "Wow, finally she really win the big prize." Looking at Kai-an, she looks really happy and said to her, "The big fellows, it was a big money." Well, definitely, it was really a big prize for them. Now, they really can get a free prize during this night. And it was Ransing. She looks really happy. She put her hand up and said, "Okay, we are the best." Now, look at her. She was really good at cheering and also she looks really happy. Well, it turns out she's also simple-minded. Senior, Hugh, suddenly said to her. Well, she think to herself that she really can act like a child. Well, of course, it doesn't bother to Kai-an. Even though Kai-an at this moment seems to be laughing. Told her, "No, I just feel I've never seen a senior so relaxed. I'm so very happy." Kai-an said to herself. Well, she looks really happy. Since the atmosphere is really getting better, and now Ransing, she was blushing, and told Kai-an, "Thank you, Xiaotong. I am so happy tonight." Well, finally, she will tell her what she feels tonight. And Kai-an, she was really happy, giving her a new doll, a pillow, this time. And sister, what did you say? It turns out she doesn't hear what she's saying. Now, it really makes sense. Ransing, at this moment, So it turns out she really changed the topic. Maybe she really feels awkward to repeat it again. Oh, Kyan said okay. Oh, they're really happy. After that, they went to something to make. Look at the two of them. They really look serious. Francine said to Kyan, be careful. Now, it really makes sense. The thing that she's going to do is cracking. And then, Francine said to her, you need just to be steady. Well, look at her. She looks really focused. On behalf of that, she looks really cool. But for Kyan at this moment, she's trying her best to do and to refer the things. Once again, I'm going to take back everything that belongs to me. Oh, is she really determined at this moment? Well, definitely, she really is. Now, let's see. Francine said to her, it's done. Well, Kyan, she seems to be amazed and said, no, Senpai, you are too good. Well, it turns out, making a star. And it was Francine who got finished first. And now, look at Francine. She told her it was a small gift. And just hold on. So, she was really repaying her. Kyan gave her a 3 gifts. She wanted to pay back and gave her for hers. Now, looking at Kyan, Francine, she was putting the clip on her hair. Oh, she looks really cute, right? And Francine, she was staring at hers and fixing her hair. This girl, she was really happy. Looking at her face, it was really blushing. And Senior, it is really good looking. So it turns out it was not only Ransing, it was also Kyan. The two of them are really happy. Back then, Ransing's remember. Well, probably reminiscing the fuss. Now, it really makes sense. Of course, for her, it seems that everything is changed. Well, let's see. Since the relationship is really getting better, let's see what will happen next. The two of them finally came back. Well, there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things they're going to consider. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by our Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!